Instead of having people type the name of the item they'd like to order, you're going to create a drop-down list. This will allow people to select from that list, preventing typing mistakes and orders for items that aren't available. To start, we're going to create a list of items, which we've already done on the sheet called Lists. We've typed the items in column B, and now I'm going to select all those cells. We're going to give that group of cells a name. To do that, we'll click in the name box and type, and this is going to be Fruit List. The name has to be all one word, so we'll type it and then press the Enter key. With those cells selected, you can now see the name. Next, we'll go back to the order sheet, which is called Data Entry, and select the cells where we want to create the list. We'll use Data Validation. So, go to the Data menu and click on Validation. On the Settings tab, we'll select List as what we're going to allow. For the source, we start with an equal sign and then type the name of our list. Click OK, and now you can click on any of those cells and select from the drop-down list.